Good morning, children. Today is 7th December, that is Monday, and thought of the week is believe in yourself a little more. Children, chapter 7 variation, that is the last part of chapter 7 is what? Miscellaneous exercise 1. Okay. Now, as earlier we have finished this chapter and the last part was left. So, we will start it now, and from that miscellaneous exercise, you have to open your textbook page number 59 and take out question number 3. So question number 3 is based on variation chapter, is it? So here question number 3 is given as m varies n and n is equal to 15 when m is equal to 25. Hence we have to find the two questions. First case, find m when n is equal to 87, and in second case we have to find n when m is equal to 155. So one by one we will solve. What is given? M is directly varies with n and n is 15 and m is 25. With these given two values we will find k first. K is what? K is constant of variation. So let us start the solution now. So children, we will start with m directly varies with n. Therefore m is equal to what? K into n, where k is constant. And now when n is equal to 15 and m is equal to 25, this is given in the question. Substituting these two values, what we will get? M is 25 and k is 15. So 25 is equal to k into 15. Therefore k is equal to what? 25 upon 15 is equal to 5 upon 3. Okay, cancel it and we will get the answer as 5 upon 3. That is k, which is constant of variation. Now what we have found out? K is equal to 5 by 3. Now in the first case, when we get k, we can find m when n is given as 87. So what is the equation of variation now? M is equal to kn is your equation. So substitute the value of n and k. M is equal to 5 upon 3 into n means 87. So cancel 87 with 3. What you will get? 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6 and 3 9s are 27. And in this way multiplied that 29 by 5, you will get 145. Therefore m is equal to 145. Now in the second case, here what is asked? Find n when m is equal to 155. So when m is equal to 155, n is question mark. So again substitute the value of m and k in the equation of variation. M is equal to kn is equation of variation. So 155 is equal to 5 upon 3, that is k, and n we will find. So what is n now? This 3 is multiplied with 155 and divided by 5. So cancel 155 with 5 and multiply it with 3. So you will get the answer as 93. That is n is equal to 93. Okay. Now the next question, that is question number 4. This question is also based on variation chapter. So y varies inversely with x. If y is equal to 30 when x is equal to 12, find y when x is equal to 15. So with these two given values, again we will find k first and then substitute the value of x and k in the equation of variation. So one by one. Here second question, here also you will find x when y is equal to 18 using the same procedure. So let's start the solution. What is given? Y varies inversely with x. So y varies inversely with x. That means y is equal to k upon x, or we can take the product of x into y, which is equal to k. Okay. So when y is equal to 30, x is equal to 12. So what you will get that answer? Y is 30 is equal to k upon 12. So multiply x and y, that is 30 into 12 is k. So it is 360. Therefore k is equal to 360. And what is k? K is constant of variation. And what is the equation of variation? 30 into 12 is equal to k, or you can write y is equal to k upon x. This y is equal to k upon x is your equation of variation. We will substitute in this equation only. Which values? In the first case, when x is equal to 15, what is y? So y is equal to k upon x. Therefore y is equal to what? 360 upon 15, which is equal to 24. Therefore y is equal to 24. Just now we have found it now, y as 24. Now in the second case, what is asked? X when y is equal to 18. So what is the equation of variation? Y is equal to k upon x, or y into x is equal to k. So here we have taken the ratio, that is k upon x. Therefore y is 18 is equal to k means 360 upon x. So what is x now? 360 upon 18. So cancel 18. 360 upon 18, 18 ones are 18, 18 twos are 36 and 0, so x is equal to 20. So second question also we have solved. Now in this miscellaneous exercise you have to turn the page number 60 and there you will get question number 10. Identify the variation and solve. You have to identify which type of variation is used in this question and then you have to solve. So question start. It takes 5 years to travel from one town to the other if speed of bus is 48 km per hour. If the speed of the bus is reduced by 8 km per hour, how much time will it take for the same travel? So to travel a distance, some distance is not given here, speed and time is given. So there is an inverse variation here. So you can write that statement also. Here is the inverse variation is used. So speed and time are inversely variation or inversely proportional. So let the speed of the vehicle be s and time taken to travel be t. So s is inversely proportional to t. Therefore s into t is equal to k, and where k is the constant of variation. Here s is equal to 48 and t is equal to 5. Therefore what is the equation of variation now? S into t is equal to k. So k is equal to 48 into 5, that is 240. What is 5? Time is given as 5 years. And what is 48? 48 is given as the speed of the bus. So here we get k is equal to 240. Okay, so what will be the equation of variation in this sum? The equation of variation is s into t is equal to 240 because k is 240. Now we have to find t, where the speed of the bus is decrease. Okay, so what is the decrease in speed? First it was 48 and then by 8 km. So 48 not 8 km, 8 km per hour. So 48 minus 8 will be equal to 40 km per hour. So when speed is equal to 40 km per hour, that means when s is 40, then find t. So s into t is equal to 240. Therefore 40 into t, s means 40, so 40 into t is 240. Therefore t is equal to 240 upon 40. So 0 0 cancel and divide 24 by 4, you will get 6. So what you will answer? Time taken to travel the same distance at the speed of 40 km per hour is 6 hours. Children, so in this way we have solved 3 questions, question number 3, 4 and question number 10 of miscellaneous exercise 1, which was based on variation chapter. And after this video I will be sending you the class test which is based on variation chapter. Okay, so first you will complete this part which is given in the video and then solve the class test. Okay, but first you will have to prepare it and then solve the class test, and in the next video, means next day, I will send you the solution set. Okay, thank you.